AVP Global School, your child's first step towards 21st century education. Hey children, welcome back to class 3 online session. Hope all of you are doing good at home. We are discussing lesson number 2 and before getting into the lesson, let us do some warm-up exercises and follow the instructions properly. First thing, sit properly and make yourself comfortable in a place. Then place your palms on your lap. Then close your eyes and follow the instructions properly. You need not pause the video. Let it keep running. Close your eyes and follow the instructions. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Deep breathe in. Breathe out. Once again, deep breathe in. Hold on for a second. And then breathe out. Yes, very good. Now you can open your eyes. Keep listening the video. What did we do just now? It is a small breathing exercise. But it is actually breathing. Do you have an idea? Yes, that is what you did and you have to know it. Let me tell you what is breathing. Taking in air and giving out air is called breathing. Just now you had did. You took air into your lungs and then you gave out the air from your lungs. This process of living beings taking in the oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide or taking in air and giving out air is called as breathing. Then this animals breathe? Yes, because animals are also living beings. Then does all the animals breathe in the same way? How do different animals breathe? That is what we'll look into now. It's a bird taking in and giving out. Taking in breathe is called inhalation and giving out your air is called exhalation. You can also see a tiger exhaling. It is giving out the air. You can see the exhaling of tiger here. And with which organ does birds, human beings, tigers, lions breathe? They breathe with the help of their lungs. So their respiratory organ is lungs. And then what is the next one? Fishes. How do fishes breathe? Fishes breathe with the help of their gills. Gills are covered in this way, and a fish opens its mouth, water enters into its mouth. Then it closes its mouth and water passes through the gills. Then it opens, gills are open and water come out. From mouth, oxygen will enter, pass through the gills. Here, oxygen from the water is used by the fishes. Then, after completion, gills are opened. That means carbon dioxide comes out from the gills. Through mouth, oxygen enters, and through gills, carbon dioxide will come out. So the organs that fishes are using is gills. Mm. Yes, it is a grasshopper. And how does a grasshopper breathe? It breathes with the help of the small holes, air holes. They are called as spiracles. Through these air holes, oxygen will enter, and these are air sacs. The air taken is in gets into the spaces and then utilized by the organism. Carbon dioxide comes out in this way. Even the cockroach and grasshopper breathe through air holes. Then the plant. Is the plant living organism? Yes, it is a living organism and it breathes with the help of very small openings, tiny openings called as stomata. Stomata are present backside of the leaf. Underside of the leaf, the small holes are present through which oxygen gets in, carbon dioxide comes out, and the small openings are called stomata. So, by this, we can tell that different animals will have different organs for breathing. All do not have the same organs for breathing. Some may have lungs, some may have gills, some may have air holes, and some may have stomata, and something else. And why should we actually breathe? Is it important? Yes, it is very important to breathe properly because if you take a proper breath, 60% of your health issues will be resolved. So, it's very important to have a normal breath using your nose. You are not supposed to breathe with your mouth. Breathe with your nose, which makes you more healthier. Hmm. Then what is the next? How many senses do we know? We know about 5 senses. What are they? Smell, feel, taste, see, and hear. Ooh. Then, how do we get to know about the senses? With the help of our sense organs. So, we'll discuss about each sense organ. First, we'll get into eyes. What is the use of eyes? Eyes helps us to detect the light. It finds out where the light is present and light help us to see the objects. So, indirectly, eyes are helping us to see the objects. Imagine a day completely closing your eyes. Is it possible to do your daily activities normally? No, it is very difficult. As we are having our eyes, we are able to do all our activities in a normal way. Suppose if our eyes are closed, It would be horrible even to think. Hmm. Then, nose. What is the use of nose? Nose helps in identifying the different smells that are found in the air. And also, nose plays a very important role in digestion. Hmm. Then, yeah, he's enjoying the music. So, ear helps us in receiving the sound. Only when we receive the sound, we can talk or we can communicate with other persons. So, who is helping us to listen? Our ears are helping us to receive the sound. Hmm. Then, your tongue, a very important sense organ. Tongue helps in perceiving the taste, in understanding taste of different food items. Yes. How many of you like a bitter gourd? Very few people. And most of you like the yummy cool cakes. Yes, it is because of the taste of it. And who can identify the taste? It is the tongue. So, tongue is also very important in our daily life. And then, last one, skin. Skin helps in identifying the touch. So, we have five sense organs, that is, eyes, and it helps in detecting the light. And the next one here, it helps in receiving the sound. Then we have nose, it identifies different kind of smells. Then we have tongue, which perceives different tastes. Then we have skin, which identifies the touch. And all the sense organs are very important to identify the changes that happen around us. That means, as all the animals are having these sense organs, all the animals can sense the changes, can observe the changes that are happening around them. If you have understood that, then you are supposed to answer this. So listen carefully. Imagine you are in a dark room with no light. It's completely dark and no light. Then, but you're able to feel, you're feeling the presence of rose petals in the room. And then you have come across a mirror which has an automatic